You've likely poured your heart and soul into your dreams, yet sometimes success feels elusive. You put in the work, you follow the rules, but those dreams remain just out of reach. We've all felt that frustration, that longing for something more. But what if I told you there's a secret switch hidden within your own mind that can unlock a whole new level of achievement? A switch that, when flipped, can make success feel not just possible, but inevitable. What if I told you that you hold the key to a life where your dreams effortlessly unfold? At its core, the principle is this: your reality is a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs. What you hold in your mind, you create in your life. It's a simple idea, yet its power is profound. Consider this: your mind is like a garden. Every thought you have is a seed. Seeds of doubt, seeds of fear, seeds of limitation. They all take root and grow, shaping the landscape of your life. But here's the good news: you have the power to choose which seeds you plant. You can sow seeds of confidence, seeds of abundance, seeds of unwavering belief. Our minds are incredibly powerful instruments. They shape not only how we see the world, but also how the world responds to us. It's like a feedback loop. When you believe in yourself, you exude confidence, and that confidence attracts opportunities. When you believe in your dreams, you take inspired action, and that action opens doors. Much of this happens beneath the surface, in the realm of your subconscious mind. It's like the operating system of your life, running programs that you may not even be aware of. These programs, formed by your past experiences and beliefs, dictate your thoughts, feelings, and actions. They can be your greatest allies or your worst enemies. If your subconscious mind is running programs of self-doubt and scarcity, it will be difficult, if not impossible, to achieve lasting success. But here's the exciting part: you can rewrite those programs. You can reprogram your subconscious mind for success. It's not about magic or wishful thinking. It's about understanding the power of your thoughts and beliefs, and using that power to create the life you desire. It's about realizing that you are the architect of your reality, and that you hold the blueprint for your success within your own mind. The journey begins with awareness. By recognizing the power of your thoughts and beliefs, you gain the ability to choose them consciously. Instead of being a victim of your subconscious programming, you become the master of it. Think of a time when you accomplished something you once thought was impossible. It could be a personal challenge, a career goal, or even a simple act of courage. How did you feel in that moment? Did you feel a surge of confidence, a sense of empowerment? That's the power of your thoughts and beliefs at work. If you can tap into that power consistently, if you can learn to cultivate a mindset of success, there is no limit to what you can achieve. The key is to understand that your thoughts and beliefs are not fixed. They are malleable. They can be transformed. And the most beautiful part? This transformation doesn't have to be a struggle. It can be a joyful exploration of your own potential. It can be a process of self-discovery and empowerment. Imagine waking up each day with unwavering confidence in your ability to create the life you desire. Imagine feeling a sense of excitement and anticipation as you move towards your goals. Imagine living a life where your dreams effortlessly unfold. That's the power of reprogramming your subconscious mind for success. It's a journey of self-discovery, a journey of empowerment, a journey of unlimited possibility. And it all begins with the simple understanding that your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. This profound journey begins with clarity. It's about defining your desires with laser-like focus, leaving no room for ambiguity or doubt. What do you truly want to create in your life? What are your deepest aspirations? Be specific, be detailed, be unwavering in your vision. The clearer your vision, the stronger your signal to the universe. Once your desires are crystal clear, the next step is to cultivate unwavering belief. It's not enough to simply hope or wish for your dreams to come true. You must believe with every fiber of your being that they are already on their way to you. This is where the magic happens. When you believe in your dreams as if they are already your reality, you unleash a powerful force that moves mountains. But belief alone is not enough. You must also infuse your desires with emotion. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude as if your dreams are already fulfilled. This is the secret ingredient that supercharges the manifestation process. Your emotions are your most powerful creative tools. When you feel the emotions of your desires, you send a message to the universe that you are ready to receive them. Finally, take action. But not just any action. Take inspired action. Action that aligns with your vision and resonates with your soul. Let your intuition guide you. Let your passion fuel you. When you act from a place of alignment, you create a powerful momentum that propels you towards your goals. Visualization is a potent tool that activates the success switch within your mind. It's like planting seeds of your desires in the fertile ground of your imagination. By creating vivid mental pictures of your desired outcomes, you activate the same neural pathways in your brain as if you were actually experiencing them. This sends a powerful signal to your subconscious mind, programming it for success. To visualize effectively, find a quiet space where you can relax and let your imagination soar. Close your eyes and create a mental movie of your desired reality. See yourself living your dream life, achieving your goals, experiencing the emotions of success. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, taste? The more vivid your visualization, the more powerful its impact. Consistency and repetition are key. The more you visualize your desires, the more you reinforce the neural pathways in your brain that lead to their manifestation. Make visualization a daily practice, a sacred ritual that you look forward to. This is your time to dream big, to connect with your deepest desires, and to plant the seeds of your future success. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of your desires. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you open the door to receive even more. It's like a magnet that attracts abundance into your life. Think of it this way. When you're grateful, you shift your focus from lack to abundance. You recognize the blessings that surround you, big and small. You appreciate the beauty in everyday moments, the kindness of strangers, the opportunities that come your way. This shift in perspective sends a powerful message to the universe. I am open to receive. The more you practice gratitude, the more you tune into the frequency of abundance. You begin to see the good in everything, to find reasons to be thankful even in challenging situations. This positive energy not only attracts more abundance, but also transforms your entire outlook on life. You become a beacon of joy and optimism, a magnet for positive experiences. Cultivating a grateful mindset is simple, yet incredibly powerful. Start each day by expressing gratitude for 3 things in your life. It could be anything from the warmth of your bed, to the love of your family, to the simple fact that you are alive. Make it a habit to write down 3 things you are grateful for every evening before you go to bed. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you'll find to be grateful for. Limiting beliefs are like roadblocks on the path to success. They are the negative thoughts and stories you tell yourself about who you are and what you're capable of. They can whisper doubts in your ear, sabotage your efforts, and hold you back from achieving your full potential. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained in our subconscious minds, stemming from past experiences, cultural conditioning, or the opinions of others. They can sound like, I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, I don't deserve success, or I'll never be able to do that. The first step to overcoming limiting beliefs is to become aware of them. Pay attention to your thoughts and notice any negative patterns. Once you've identified a limiting belief, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this really true? Is there any evidence to support this belief? Often, you'll find that your limiting beliefs are based on fear and insecurity, not reality. Replace your limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Instead of saying, I'm not good enough, say, I am worthy of success. Instead of saying, I'll never be able to do that, say, I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more you'll reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Self-love and self-acceptance are essential ingredients for overcoming limiting beliefs. You are worthy of success, just as you are. Accept your imperfections, celebrate your strengths, and believe in your limitless potential. Action is a crucial part of the manifestation process, but not just any action. There's a world of difference between forced action and inspired action. Forced action is driven by fear, anxiety, or a sense of obligation. It feels heavy, draining, and often leads to burnout. Inspired action, on the other hand, is fueled by passion, joy, and a deep sense of alignment with your purpose. It feels light, effortless, and fills you with a sense of excitement and anticipation. When you take inspired action, you're not just working towards your goals, you're enjoying the journey. When your actions are aligned with your desires, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates the manifestation process. It's like paddling a boat downstream. You're working with the current, not against it. Every step you take feels natural, effortless, and brings you closer to your destination. To recognize inspired action, pay attention to your intuition. Your intuition is your inner guidance system, whispering messages of wisdom and direction. It's that quiet voice that tells you when something feels right or wrong, when to take a leap of faith or when to wait patiently. Learn to trust your intuition. It may not always make logical sense, but it will always lead you in the right direction. When you feel a nudge to take action, follow it. Even if it seems small or insignificant, every step you take in alignment with your intuition brings you closer to your dreams. In a world of instant gratification, patience can feel like a lost art. We're used to getting what we want quickly and easily, but manifestation doesn't work that way. It's a natural process that unfolds in its own time. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a seed to sprout into a tree overnight, would you? It takes time, nurturing, and patience. The same is true for your dreams. They need time to germinate, to grow, and to blossom into their full potential. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires into reality. Let go of the need to control every detail, to force outcomes, or to rush the process. Instead, surrender to the flow of life, trusting that everything is happening in perfect divine timing. Patience is not about passively waiting for things to happen. It's about actively trusting the process, taking inspired action, and allowing your desires to unfold naturally. It's about knowing that your dreams are worth the wait, and that the journey is just as important as the destination. The path to success is not a mystery, nor is it a privilege reserved for a select few. It's a choice, a decision to harness the power of your mind and create the life you desire. The formula is simple, yet its effects are profound. It's time to flip the switch, to unlock your full potential and to step into a life of effortless success. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're ready to go deeper into the secrets of effortless success, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more life-changing insights. The power to create your dream life is within you. Start now and watch as your reality transforms before your very eyes.